Hello once again from the website FleetTrucksUSA.com, where we bring to you the nation's finest selection of commercial utility trucks, cargo vans, and work truck F-150s. Today I have an exceptional 2011 Chevrolet contractor truck. Absolutely stunning. Miles in the 50s. It is a two-wheel drive. It has the 6.0 liter gas engine. It is a dual rear wheel, so it has a total of 6 100% brand new matching set of tires, freshly spin balanced and aligned. Not a dent, not a ding, not a scratch in this beautiful, exceptional truck. Look at the driver's cockpit area. No tears in the floors, no tears in the cloth captain's chairs, no cracks in the dash, no damage to the headliner. Absolutely stunning truck. There are no odors. This features an 11-foot contractor's bed on gas shocks, lots of deep storage space. All of these compartments have both locks on the handles and the ability for you to padlock them for redundancy. Nice divided out space, very deep. I'd say these are about 18-inch deep sides. Pop top with dividers. Lots and lots of space for storage. Down here we've got another little compartment where you've got your jack tools in there. Beautiful contractor's bed. These wood slats fold down very easily. You've got a step bumper with a tow package. This features a king size, and when I say king size, I mean truly king size custom ladder rack. This back pipe swings around to the other side and locks in. You can remove the center pipes for height if you need to haul something tall. And this side is a lot like the other side. The driver area is absolutely pristine. Cloth seats, power windows, cruise control, tilt wheel, odor free, never smoked in. Beautiful engine compartment. Oil has been freshly changed. Every vehicle on the website FleetTrucksUSA.com is set up to be physically and mechanically turnkey out of the gate. Most of our vehicles come with a 90-day, 4,500-mile warranty that starts the second you drive away and is honored nationwide. The large majority of our out-of-state customers are having vehicles shipped right to their front door. You too can take advantage of this. This way you don't have to leave your business. You can just have a beautiful, stunning, warranted vehicle show up right to your business that you can start making money with immediately. Physically, any of our vehicles are ready for logos and 100% ready to go into service. If you would like to fly here to beautiful, sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, we're located just 5 minutes from the airport, where we will pick you up and have you brought here to our facility, sell you the vehicle of your choice, and then we will treat you to a stay and buffet at a high-quality casino resort on the Las Vegas Strip, which is located just 1 mile behind me here. If you are a business owner in need of commercial lending, we have lenders that can get you the funds you need so that you can hang on to your capital and use your funds effectively. Most of our customers utilize commercial equipment loans for the vehicles that we are selling. You can read about all of this on our website, FleetTrucksUSA.com. My name is Bianca. I operate the website, and I hope that you get to purchase your next commercial vehicle from the website, FleetTrucksUSA.com. Thank you for watching.